Here we are, have my cook pot that I've been using throughout the series, right here, titanium cook pot, 750 milliliters. And what that really is I took the Bestargot coffee press, all right, so Bestargot coffee press, and I took that and I modified it. How did I modify it? I took out the guts, which is right over here. That's the press. With a few extra things, I got size number 10, 32 screws, stainless steel, of course, because this whole thing is stainless. Now we are going to reassemble this coffee pot and make it into a French press. First we drop out our screw, which I got the shortest ones I could. Then we just put this top back on. And we screw the knob in. Now we have a French press. Once more. Ta-da! No applause. Yes. So we have the Bestargot French press. I really didn't think much about French presses before getting this thing. Still don't like cleaning up after them, but this is a nice little pot. If you get one of these, the reason why I got this and did the modification was obvious. If you take this center part out, you have all this extra storage space down in here for like your stove, a couple of things of coffee, a windscreen, whatever. And this modification doesn't take very long to change, but if you don't want to go through this every single time, what you can do is get yourself 2 of those little screws. Let me see, can I focus in on that screw? There we go. And just a stainless steel lid, or titanium lid if you want to buy one, and put that on top instead of taking this apart every time. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And also consider watching this video. This was just a teaser. The French press, it will be released on Friday. Coming soon.